Hello friends, now according to this expression we use BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for or we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent also. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. Now according to the BODMAS sequence we'll break it down this expression by the step by step solution. Now first, simplify the inner exponents orders, which is 2 plus 3 square. Now according to this, look inside the innermost parenthesis, solve the exponents first. 3 square. So BODMAS rules state that the inside bracket order exponent must be solved before addition. So first we solve 3 square, which is 9, and then after bracket solve 2 plus 9 is equals to 11. Now according to this step, innermost parenthesis complete the addition inside the round brackets also. Round brackets have the highest priority in the bracket hierarchy. So now the current expression becomes square bracket 65 minus curly braces 8 multiplied by 11 curly braces square bracket of divided by 3 plus 3 cube. Now move to the third step. Solve the curly braces. As the curly braces multiply the number inside the curly braces, 8 multiplied by 11 equals to 88. According to this step, curly braces are the next level of brackets to clear. So now the current expression becomes square bracket 65 minus 88 square bracket of divided by 3 plus 3 cube. So now move to the fourth step. Fourth step says solve the square bracket. In the square brackets, subtract the number inside the square bracket, which is 65 minus 88. So the larger number is 88, has a negative sign. So we put the negative sign along with the answer minus 23. So now the current expression becomes minus 23 divided by 3 plus 3 cube. So now the fifth step, simplify the outer exponents orders, calculate the value of orders exponents. Now 3 cube is equals to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 27. According to this step, now all the brackets are gone. We solve the remaining orders before doing the division and addition. So now the current expression becomes minus 23 divided by 3 plus 27. Now sixth step, perform the division. Now we divide the values. 23 divided by 3. According to this step, we can write it down minus 23 divided by 3. So now the current expression becomes minus 23 by 3 plus 27. Now finally the seventh step, perform addition. Final step, find a common denominator to add the fraction at the integers. This is the final remaining operator. So 27 upon 1 and minus 23 upon 3 plus 27 multiplied by 3 upon 3. So after adding of the digits, so we'll get minus 27 upon 3 plus 81 upon 3. Now the denominators are same. We can easily add the values and subtract the values. So plus minus minus, and we'll get 58 because the larger digit has a positive sign. So 58 upon 3 as a final result. So now according to this expression, by systematically breaking down the operations from the innermost grouping outward, according to the BODMAS hierarchy, the final evaluated result of this expression is 58 upon 3. We can write it down 19 1 by 3 as a mixed fraction. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.